Hey guys, welcome back to The Kate Show. I'm Kate and this is my show. Today I'm really excited to partner up with Cityway, which is a downtown urban living community in Indianapolis. They've recently just opened up their second part, so they call it Cityway 2.0, where they've added even more luxury apartments, even more amenities, and everything else that just will completely blow your mind about what they have to offer. So if you are interested in that, keep watching. Okay, y'all, I am pumped to go check out these new Cityway apartments. Literally, when I moved downtown, Cityway 1.0 didn't even exist. So getting to check out the full entire campus of everything that Cityway encompasses. I mean, y'all, they have everything from restaurants to art to the gym to you name it, Cityway has it. And I'm just so excited to check it out. Like, what an awesome way to get to experience Indy. And if you are looking for somewhere to live in Indy, I have a feeling after watching this, you're gonna wanna live here. So let's go check it out. Hey guys, welcome to my crib. Come on in. So as you can see when we first enter, it is a huge open living space, which we love. And I'll kind of welcome you guys into the kitchen. So over here, which is totally key always, is to have tons of storage space. So looks like we've got some toasted marshmallow syrup over here. And then I know down here I've got some appliances that they've kind of stowed away. This is great for pantry space. Then over here, you guys can tell that they have awesome appliances. I love the white Subway tile in the back. So fun. Love that. Nice, fancy, what do we call this? Dishwasher. Clearly, I don't wash my dishes very often. Lovely fridge. And then we will move our way into the living area, which is really spacious. I love the mixed walls. So this is like an open concrete concept and the rest of the walls are all painted. And then over here is my favorite spot of the house, which is the balcony. So we're gonna come out here really quickly and you can see a skyline of all of Indy, which is beautiful. Ooh, and get the sunset over here. This is the money shot right there. Oh yeah. And then I'll take you guys into the little dining area. I love that you can open these windows, which in a lot of the apartments downtown you can't, even if you are on a lower level. So you can open these windows. They are floor to ceiling, all the way up there. And then I'll show you the bedroom. So the bedroom, this is a queen size bed. Looks very comfortable. Again, could you imagine waking up with a gorgeous view of the city? It's just breathtaking. And if you don't want to see it, you've got lovely blinds up there too. And then what does every bedroom need in addition to it? A huge closet. So if you guys are looking for nice storage, we've got it over here. So extra blankets. And then we've got a coat closet on the outside here. Just some odds and ends in here. And this bathroom is massive. So take it all in here. We have the water heater is in this door over here, and then in-unit washer and dryer, which is key for apartment living. You do not want to be hauling around your clothing when you can just do it here. So that about sums it up, guys. This is Cityway 2.0. They do have studios, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms available. It is amazing. So overall, guys, my stay with Cityway was absolutely amazing. Beyond even just the apartment complex, it was so cool to really see people interacting on their property. You know, you see a lot of people walking to different places, walking to the pool, walking to the CVS. Just to know that you can live downtown and truly, like, especially for people who are into having a lower like environmental impact, this is huge. You know, you don't have to get in your car and drive 30 minutes to go to a great restaurant. Like, you can just walk there or use the Pacer bike share, which is right there. I was just so blown away. You know, we got checked in, checked out the apartment. We had an amazing masseuse, Beth, come in to give us a cute little chair massage. Oh my gosh, so relaxing. We absolutely loved it. And then we went over, after we got all relaxed and, you know, zen, to Plat 99, which happens to be one of my favorite cocktail bars in Indy. It is located on the second floor of the Alexander Hotel, which the Alexander Hotel is actually part of Cityway. So it was like a stone's throw away. I'm not even kidding you, like 200 feet from the apartment. So we went up there, enjoyed a couple of cocktails. The atmosphere there is awesome. It's just so artsy and cozy and just inspiring. I love, love, love all of the artwork at the Alexander Hotel, and it's just a great place to hang out or even meet people for a business meeting. They have coffee in the morning, all of that. And an added bonus to living in Cityway is that you can actually call in room service from the Alexander Hotel and they deliver it to you straight to your door. So none of this like, let me call it in and go get the order or having to pay for, you know, a delivery fee like on Uber Eats. They just come straight to your door, which I thought was so awesome. And their food there is really good. So overall, I would highly recommend checking out Cityway if you were looking for somewhere great to live downtown with every single amenity that you could possibly think of. They have it. Their staff will take care of you. I'm jealous that I don't live there right now. I really wish I did. But if you guys have any more questions, be sure to comment below. If I don't have the answer, I will find the answer for you. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to thumbs up. I share everything from my adventures around Indy, my travels, my wig reviews, you name it. I basically put my whole life out here on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe, guys. And until next time, I'll see you then. Bye.